Thunderstorms moved throughout our area overnight. They brought along some heavy rain and lightning. Let's take a look at this video sent to us by Jay Weiss of Second Harvest. It's actually really pretty. It was taken in Metairie at Lakeside Mall. You can see some of the lightning in the sky. Painting a pretty cool video there. I do love to watch it.
I know, the cloud-to-cloud lightning is the cool stuff. That's the stuff that's not terribly loud. It's the lightning that strikes out your window that rattles the windows and wakes you up. So
I know, I'm sure a lot of people were woken up overnight.
A lot of people may be hanging a little down today because of the loud thunder and lightning overnight. That has moved out. That initial line of storms has moved on out, but we're not done with the chances for some rain just yet. We could have another little round of a few showers and storms later this morning. So as you get out the door this morning, we are pretty dry right now. There's a few light showers near the coast. That's about it. And I think we're going to stay dry for the next several hours. But as we get closer to 6, 7, 8 a.m., I think we'll start to see a few storms pop up again, and then notice through the morning hours at least, rain chances will be a little bit higher. And then as we get into the afternoon, we see some sunshine come out. We're mostly dry, and so for the most part, Jazz Fest will be okay today. It may be a little bit muddy out there. We picked up nearly 2 inches of rain this morning at MSY, but I think we'll be pretty dry through this afternoon. Just around the time the gates are opening, that's when we'll have to watch for a few storms across the area. So there's the initial line continuing to move to the east. Notice as we get closer to 6, 7 o'clock, another little disturbance moving across the region. That will help trigger some showers and storms, and a few of these could move across our area, especially the South Shore as we go through the morning hours. As we go into the afternoon, a lot of this is moving on out, and then there's the sunshine returning this afternoon. So it's still possible we get 1 or 2 strong storms later this morning. This was not a cold front that moved through, so there's still moisture. There's still some ingredients for some strong storms. And the more, if we can get some sunlight this morning, once the sun comes up, that can build instability. So we'll still hold a low possibility of a few strong storms, with gusty winds being the main concern. And we did see some strong wind gusts. Ship Island reported a gust around 73 miles an hour. Ship Island's right there, and that was as that squall line moved on through. So there it goes. What we'll be watching, this next disturbance, trigger some showers and storms, and I think most of it will stay south of the lake, but that'll be later on this morning. Jazz Fest tomorrow for your weekend. Look at this. Lots of sunshine on Saturday, hot and sunny. Highs near 90 degrees. Same story on Sunday. We'll be near 90 degrees, about 91, with mostly sunny skies. And then look at this. That ridge of high pressure, that's what's sitting over us. That creates hot temperatures this time of year. That gets stronger into next week. Look at Wednesday. I think Wednesday is going to be our hottest day, and I still have us around 94. Heat index values, because the humidity will still be relatively high, approaching 100. So it'll start to feel, this will honestly feel like kind of a July afternoon rather than a May afternoon. And there are some record highs scattered in here as well. So really abnormally hot temperatures for this time of year. That will continue after we get through with the storms later this morning. The rest of the forecast is really dry and really hot. We'll get into the upper 80s to near 90 this weekend. Your mornings, of course, are going to stay fairly mild in the 70s because of the humidity. And then there we are in the 90s all the way through the middle of next week.